2026 is coming, and if you want this to be the year you grow with confidence, the year you build momentum, the year you finally understand your direction in Atomy, then this video is your roadmap. Because success is not about luck, it's about clarity. And today, I'm giving you the Smart Shopper roadmap for 2026, so you can start the year strong and stay strong. Let's begin. If you feel lost in Atomy, it's not your fault. You just never had a clear roadmap. So before 2026 begins, I'll give you the Smart Shopper plan step by step. No guessing, no confusion, just direction, confidence, and a clear path to growth. A new year means a fresh start, a clean page, a new chance to grow. But you don't grow by wishing. You grow by planning, by setting habits, goals, and direction. This roadmap will show you the clear path to becoming a confident smart shopper, a steady leader, and a person who grows with integrity. Start your year with clarity. Master the basics. Know the compensation plan, learn personal PV, learn group PV, and understand flashes. Next, build your smart shopper lifestyle. Use the products. Try at least 3 new items and start your daily routine. Your foundation gives you confidence. This is where habits matter. Daily habits include using the products, checking PV, learning one new thing, sharing naturally, encouraging someone, and staying connected to your upline. In these 2 months, your goal is to build momentum. Tiny actions repeated daily. Consistency beats motivation. This is where you start to feel strong. So what to do in this season? Practice explaining PV. Practice guiding a new member. Practice sharing your experience. Practice walking someone through the website or app. Practice storytelling. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be willing. Confidence comes from practice. This is where results begin. How to build impact? Share your lifestyle, share your favorite products, share your journey, share your why, and guide someone step by step. Impact is not about numbers. Impact is about helping someone grow. When one person grows because of you, your leadership begins. At this point, you'll see the value of relationships. Grow in teamwork by connecting with your upline, mentoring someone new, encouraging your left and right leg, communicating consistently, and celebrating small wins. Teamwork multiplies success. You cannot grow alone, and you shouldn't. Before the year ends, reflect on what did you learn? What habits did you build? What changed in your lifestyle? Who did you help? And what are you proud of? Then renew your why for the next year. Your journey continues stronger than before. The Smart Shopper Roadmap is not about pressure. It's about growth. It's about structure. It's about becoming a better version of yourself, month by month, habit by habit. You don't need to move fast. You just need to move with intention. And if you follow this roadmap, 2026 will be your year of clarity, confidence, and steady growth. If this roadmap gave you a direction for 2026, subscribe and stay with me here on Atomy's Us. Together, we'll grow step by step with confidence, integrity, and the smart shopper mindset. See you in the next lesson. Your best year is coming.